Looking for the perfect cordless drill to power up your DIY projects? Today, we're counting down the top 5 cordless drills that combine performance, design, and reliability. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, these picks will help you drill smarter, not harder. Number 1. The DintWiz Cordless Drill Kit is built for everyday DIY and woodworking tasks. It uses a brushless DC motor, which means less wear, better efficiency, and longer tool life. With up to 60 Newton-meters of torque, it can handle a wide range of materials, including wood, plastic, and light metals. The drill offers 24 torque settings and 3 operating modes, giving users precise control for different jobs. 2 speed ranges, from 450 to 2,000 revolutions per minute, allow smooth transitions between slow screw driving and faster drilling. A variable speed trigger adds accuracy and flexibility. Power comes from a 3,000 mAh battery, supported by a quick charger for reduced downtime. The kit includes driver bits, cobalt bits for metal, wood bits, socket bits, and a flexible extension shaft for tight spaces. Features like an LED work light, ergonomic soft grip handle, and a keyless chuck make it practical, comfortable, and reliable for home projects. Number 2. The WorkPro Pink Cordless Drill Driver Set combines portability with everyday functionality. Powered by a 20-volt motor and a 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, it delivers steady performance with a runtime suitable for routine household projects. The battery is designed for easy removal and quick charging, making it convenient for repeated use. This drill offers 2 variable speed ranges, 0 to 400 revolutions per minute for controlled screw driving, and up to 1,500 revolutions per minute for faster drilling tasks. With 21 torque settings plus a drill mode, users can fine-tune power delivery for different materials. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck provides secure bit retention and allows quick changes without tools. Comfort is supported by a soft grip handle that reduces fatigue during longer sessions. An integrated LED light improves visibility in dim spaces, adding safety and precision. Lightweight and compact, the WorkPro drill is well suited for furniture assembly, crafts, and general home maintenance. Number 3. The DeWalt 20-volt Max Cordless Drill Driver Set is designed for both professional and home use, offering a balance of power and compact design. Its brushless motor provides longer runtime compared to brushed models, making it efficient for extended projects. The drill features 2 speed settings, allowing users to adjust performance for drilling or fastening tasks. Measuring only 7.6 inches from front to back, it fits easily into tight spaces where larger tools may not reach. Comfort is supported by an ergonomic grip handle that improves balance and reduces strain during longer sessions. A built-in LED light enhances visibility in dimly lit areas, with a 20-second delay after the trigger is released to keep the workspace illuminated. The set includes a 2.0 amp-hour XR battery and charger, ensuring reliable power and quick recharging. Lightweight, yet durable, this drill is well suited for construction, woodworking, and general household projects. Number 4. The Fanti K2 Ultra Power Drill is a compact cordless driver designed for everyday DIY and light construction tasks. It uses a Voltipulse brushless motor that delivers up to 30 Newton-meters of torque and speeds reaching 1,250 revolutions per minute, making it suitable for furniture assembly, appliance repair, and general home projects. A dual-screen interface provides real-time information. One screen shows rotation direction and lock status, while the main display indicates mode, torque, and speed settings. The tap switch gear system allows users to shift between screwdriver and drill modes with a single touch, simplifying operation compared to traditional manual switches. Measuring only 5.51 inches front to back, the drill is 30% shorter than standard models, making it easy to store and maneuver in tight spaces. It includes a stand with organized drill and screwdriver bits, plus a 2,500 mAh battery, with Type-C charging for convenient, long-lasting power. Number 5. The Craftsman 520 Cordless Drill Driver Kit is designed for everyday home improvement and repair work. It uses a high-performance motor that produces strong power for a variety of fastening and drilling tasks. The drill includes a 2-speed gearbox. The first speed ranges from 0 to 350 revolutions per minute, which is useful for controlled fastening. The second speed reaches up to 1,500 revolutions per minute, which is better for quicker drilling. A 1/2-inch keyless chuck allows fast and easy bit changes without tools. An integrated LED light improves visibility when working in dark or tight spaces. Power comes from a 20-volt lithium battery with high-performance cells, giving reliable runtime. The included charger restores the battery in about 60 minutes or less. This drill is also compatible with the Versatrack hang hook system for convenient storage. Compact and practical, it suits a wide range of household projects.